this is time for our science class. So, we have already completed the chapter pollination. I hope you all go through the chapter well, isn't it? Okay. Today, I'll discuss on objective type question answers on this chapter. Before that, I am going to tell you the main points once again. Okay? So, the flower is the main part that contains the reproductive organs. The main parts of flower are calyx, corolla, stalk, thalamus, androecium and gynoecium. Androecium is the male reproductive unit of a flower and gynoecium is the female reproductive unit of a flower. Flowers having only one reproductive organ are called unisexual and monosexual flowers. And flowers having both male and female reproductive organs are called bisexual flowers. Androecium or stamen consists of anther and filament. Gynoecium or pistil consists of stigma, style and ovary. Flowers are of two types, bisexual flowers and unisexual flowers. The process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. Pollination is of two types, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Pollen grains transfer through many mediums like water, air, insects and birds. So, these are the main points of this chapter. Now, I'll tell you the objective type question answers on this chapter. Okay? So, today you please all listen it carefully and tomorrow in our next, in our next class, I'll give you the PDF format, all the question answers in PDF format. Okay? Includes this objective type and the question answers, defines, etc. Okay? So, please listen it carefully. Chapter 4, Pollination. First, answer the following in one word. Number 1, reproductive unit of the plant. Answer, flower. Two plants which have small and unattractive flower, paddy and grass. Next, reproductive parts of the flower, androecium and gynoecium. Correctly spell these words correctly. Okay, always. Next, number 4. This vegetative part forms the outermost whole of the flower. Answer, calyx. 5. The most colorful, bright and attractive part of a flower, petals. 6. Flowers in which calyx and corolla are not distinct are called this, perianth. The stalk of the flower is called this, pedicel or pedicle. 8. The terminal swollen part of the pedicel, thalamus. Male gametes of the flower, pollen grains. 10. This part of flower contain pollen grains, anther or pollen sacs. 11. The innermost and fourth pole of flower, gynoecium. This part of flower protects it while it's a bud, sepals. Process of fusion of gametes to form a zygote is called this, fertilization. When pollination occurs by air is called this, anemophilous. Unisexual flowers are also called this, incomplete or monosexual flowers. Next, fill in the blanks. Plants are classified as flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Here was the blank. Flowering plants, non-flowering plants. Most flowers have dash main parts, 6 main parts. A complete flower consists of 2 parts, dash and dash, vegetative and reproductive. 4. The single stem that holds group of flowers is called peduncle, and that group of flower is known as inflorescence. Number 5. Dash bears the whole of the flower, thalamus. Question 6. Male reproductive organ, stamen, consists of dash and dash, filaments and anther. Male reproductive organ, stamen, consists of filaments and anther. 7. Female reproductive part, that is gynoecium, consists of stigma, style and ovary. Next 8. Ovary of flower contains dash, which contains the female gametes. Ovules is the answer. 9. Dash are one of the most important pollinators, that is honeybees. Honeybees are one of the most important pollinators. Question 10. After fertilization, the dash develops into fruit and ovules develop into seeds. After fertilization, the ovary develops into fruit and ovules develop into seeds. Pollen grains present in pollen sacs. Flowers are of 2 types, dash flowers and dash flowers, bisexual flowers and unisexual flowers. 13. Without pollination, plants will be, answer, extinct. Here was the blank. Answer is extinct. Number 14. Pollen grains transfer through many mediums such as dash, dash, etc., air, water, etc. There are many more, that is animals, birds, etc. Number 15. The third hole of the flower is androecium. Androecium is the answer. Here is the blank. Write true for the correct statement and false for the incorrect statement. So, you know that these are all your homework. You please do it, and then in our next class, I'll tell you the answer. Then please, you check it. The parts of the calyx of a flower which enclose to the petals are called sepal. Is it true or false? You have to write. Anther is the part of the ovary that contains the female gametes. True or false? You have to write. Pollination is not very important for reproduction of plants. You have to write true or false. Next, pollination is also done by humans for producing good quality of plants. You have to write true or false. The hollow tube which develops from a pollen grain is called pollen tube. It is true or false? You have to write. Next, question 6. Pollination occurs by birds is called zoophilus. You have to write here true or false. 7. The second hole of flower is called corolla. 8. Stalk or pedicel attaches the flower to the stem. Next question is, give 2 examples for each of the following. So you have to write here 2 examples for each of the following. Flowers in which calyx and corolla are not distinct. Next, 2 examples of inflorescence flower. Next, unisexual flowers. Bisexual. You have to write here 2 unisexual flowers. Name of 2 unisexual flowers, 2 bisexual flowers. Plants in which self-pollination takes place. Plants in which cross-pollination takes place. Insects which work as pollinator. So, these are the objective type question. Now, I am going to tell you about the project work on this chapter. Okay, so here just in page number 54. You know, in page number 54 there is that is, identify the parts of the flower and label it with its description with the help of the hint box. You have to draw a flower. You have to draw this flower, and then here is a hint, the here name and description, and then you have to label it just like this. You have to draw in your copy and label it. This name, here is the name, like stamen, and description. What is the feature of it? You have to write here, just in your copy. Okay, this is your project work. Now I'm telling you here is the fill in the blanks. The flower is the part of the plant that contains the reproductive structures. Petals attract insects towards them. Stamen are the male reproductive structure of a flower. The swollen part of the carpel is called ovary. The gynoecium is the female reproductive structure of a flower. Now here is another fill in the blanks here. Yes, here. That is here. Fill in the blanks. There are two types of flowers named as unisexual and bisexual flowers. There are two types of pollination named as self and cross-pollination. Unisexual flowers are also called incomplete flowers. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma to the flower is called pollination. Pollen grains germinates the pollen tube in stigma. After the fertilization, the ovary develops into fruit and ovules developed into seeds. You have to write all the answers in your copy and memorize it. Okay? So that's all for today's class. And bye till our next class. In our next class, I'll discuss on the question answers and the definitions and give reasons, etc. Okay? So till then, bye.